What's up, you guys, and welcome to the video. My name is Julio Hernandez with RP Films and RP Tinting here in Lodi, California. Today we have our first Cybertruck. This is actually my neighbor, and we've done a lot of work for him on other Teslas. Today, this has actually already been wrapped. We did not wrap this. It's wrapped in a gloss black. We're going to be installing RP Films ceramic window film on the back half, 5%, the front two windows, 20%, front windshield, 50%, and the sunroof, 35%. Now, because he's a good friend of mine, I want to make sure we do a great job with this car, and we're not quite sure what to expect. We're going to be spending the whole day on it, potentially keeping it until tomorrow, just to make sure it gets a nice, good, good detail, a good install, and really just make sure this customer is happy with the choice that they made by coming with us again. I think this is 6 cars in. So if you guys are in the Lodi area, you guys can see, or even somewhere in Northern California, when you want to get your Cybertruck tinted with us, make sure to come check us out. Or if you guys are interested in RP Films being installed on your car, make sure to go to a shop and let them know you want to try out, you want to have RP Films ceramic products installed. Let's go ahead, pull this car in, and get into the install. All right, guys, so we are now working on this car. So here's what we've done so far. We've currently done the driver and back windows. This is the driver's side. Now, what we're gonna be doing now is working on the other side and show you guys how we approach it, what we do. So yeah, it's not bad, not too hard on the sides. The real challenge is gonna be on the windshield, the sunroof, and maybe those quarter panels. So let's go ahead and knock out all the easy stuff first and then go into the challenging stuff. But let's work on the driver window in the meantime.
I feel my yeah, I feel my
What you have to do to afford a Hummer right here.
Got you bent over.
Hey, what's up, guys? It's Jose from Unveils Detailing. Now that the guys have finished with the tint install, now it's time to get it washed.
We the best, no contest. We the best. There ain't no one like cause of you dumb or you crazy. There's no way, G. Me and my clique, we handling biz while you and your clique just act fugazi. You couldn't persuade me to give a damn, it just don't faze me. I got my Xbox, she can't play me. Money in a text box, I get paid. We the best. We the best, no contest. We the best. We the best, no contest. We the best. We the best, there ain't no rest. For the wicked I'm bad and I'm blessed.